Teacher Aya Online Tutor. Hello children! Are you ready for another reading lesson? Let's start. Penguins. Penguins are birds, but they cannot fly. They are black and white. They like to glide on ice and jump into cold water. Penguins can swim very fast. They like to eat fish. Again. Penguins. Penguins are birds, but they cannot fly. They are black and white. They like to glide on ice and jump into cold water. Penguins can swim very fast. They like to eat fish. Your turn to read, children. Great job, children! Now it's quiz time. Spell the word penguin. Penguin. P-E-N-G-U-I-N. Penguin. Penguins are birds. True or false? The answer is true. Penguins are birds. Can penguins fly? Yes or no? The answer is no. Penguins cannot fly. Where do penguins glide? Ice, grass. The answer is ice. Penguins glide on ice? Where do penguins like to jump? Warm water, cold water. The answer is cold water. Penguins like to jump into cold water. What do penguins like to eat? Fish, bread. The answer is fish. Penguins like to eat fish. Penguins are color blank. White and red, black and white. The answer is black and white. Penguins are color black and white. Spell the word fish. Fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. Children, did you get all the correct answers? Good job! Remember, always practice reading so you can be a good and fast reader. Also, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lessons. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for listening, children. See you on our next lessons.